I just did a video. Not even a minute ago, but I saw a video on how to make your computer run faster. I don't need it because mine's fast, but if you do, here's how you do. First, make sure on your main screen, make sure you have everything you need, and delete anything that you don't have. If you don't know how to delete it, right click and go down to delete and hit yes. When it pops up, recycle bin thingy. Then, make sure all your folders in the computer have everything. You don't need to check them around. But, what you need to do, the main thing, you need to get on the web, go to my website, and look at my website. Okay, now, you're going to have to pull up your start button, clear out all your unused email, go to your folders, make sure you've got everything that you do, and delete anything that you don't, and make sure you don't have anything else that you didn't need. Then you got it. Your computer's running faster. Trust me, I've tried it. Usually, your computer will slow down if videos like lock up and shake. That's usually a sign.